Over the past decade, humanoid robotics has evolved from science fiction concepts and lab prototypes into real machines in serial production. Google Trends shows that humanoid robotics are scaling faster than any technology before. So we see the trend and have a potential. And the question is, how do we benefit from it? Well, as a retail investor, you cannot get exposure to such companies, because they're private. But there's a solution. XMAQUINA is a community-driven platform that allows people to collectively invest in and govern robotics and physical AI, sharing ownership in the future of humanoids. So basically, XMAQUINA allows you to invest in humanoid robotics companies as easy as you invest in Web3 projects. The core part of XMAQUINA is the DAO. Here's how its architecture looks like. It consists of community members, the North Star Council, the scoring committee, execution engine, and Deuce Labs. For example, the DAO member submits a proposal to invest funds from Treasury in a robotics company. This proposal is being discussed by a community, including deep research by the scoring committee. Then the proposal needs to be voted by the community for approval. This is made possible with a coordination layer, in other words, the Deuce token. So if you're staking your Deuce tokens, you share the voting power to shape the DAO's treasury and strategic direction. If a proposal is achieving quorum and majority approval, it's being executed and the DAO's treasury allocates funds to acquire equity in a robotics company. Apart from equity stake in humanoid robotics companies, the treasury also includes DPIN and DPAI tokens, machine real-world assets, and stablecoins for liquidity. Over time, the treasury will rebalance the stakes in order to adapt to industry trends. Matter of fact, the community can create their sub-DAOs with their own mission, rules, and goals. While receiving the DAO's infrastructure and legal framework, sub-DAOs are returning 5% of their tokens to contribute back to the main DAO. So far, XMAQUINA has invested in 5 humanoid robotics companies. And these are not just random startups, we're talking about the best ones in the industry. Neuro Robotics builds humanoids designed for real-world work, scalable, human-centric, and already commercial. 1X Technologies is building humanoid robots for helping people in everyday life. Figure AI is deploying humanoid robots at industrial scale and it's already valued at near $40 billion. Last but not least is Apptronic. This company already has major partnerships and strong funding behind its Apollo robot. Each of these companies has chances to be acquired by big tech or other giant corporations. For example, Figure AI's latest robot has been deployed at BMW factories to help building one of the world's most advanced cars. As you can see, each of these companies has use cases in different areas, which helps to diversify portfolio and reduce risks for XMAQUINA DAO. According to IFR, the global average robot density in manufacturing reached 162 robots per 10,000 employees in 2024. And remember, we're still early. Physical AI is actually closer than ever, and with XMAQUINA, we don't just watch the future arrive. We own the part of the technology that will define the next generation. Thanks for watching and join XMAQUINA.